I don't think so. I think that's a really good question. If we roll the clock back, sort of probably 4 or 5 years ago, we had Microsoft telling us all, you're either all into the cloud or your business will be dead in a few years' time. The reality is that messaging then changed to the ultimate destination is the cloud, but there will be steps along that way, and it will be through hybrid will be the most obvious. Hybrid, of course, being a mixture of on-premise technology services and cloud-based services. But I think if we look now at what's changing again in the messaging, which in technology it always does, the messaging is always changing. That's one thing that is a constant. It always changes. What we're now seeing is hybrid being the destination rather than a stepping stone. So this is seen very much as there may well be some workloads that you want to continue to run on premise, and we understand that, and that's unlikely to change. If I take an example, for example, maybe a manufacturing organization, why would they want to move their main manufacturing application off their premises and into the cloud, where they have the risks of connectivity failures and they have the risks of external provider failures? Why would they not want to protect and put a very, very solid system around that internally? And many organizations in that space will still want to do that. And I think Microsoft and various other large cloud providers understand now that this is it's no longer a stepping stone. This is seen as actually the destination may well be hybrid, which is quite interesting. So for some customers, hybrid will be the right answer. For others, it will be a full cloud migration. And for other businesses, it may well be the right thing to do to continue to operate on premise. And that's why it's so important for the providers that our customers and other SMB organizations out there have that decision to make and have the options put in front of them and explained properly, not with a view of I want to push you down this route or this route because that's my preference and that's what I know and the only thing I do. And that's why it's important, I guess, to find providers that are not just traditional providers or even these new providers that only do cloud. You need to have that choice put in front of you. So I think that's probably one of the most important things.